Substitution method for solving simultaneous linear equations in two variables. You are given with two equations. If you coefficient of any one variable as 1, then this method is appropriate. In equation 1, the coefficient of y is -1. So from equation 1, you make that variable whose coefficient is 1 or -1, you make that variable as the subject of the equation. So 3x minus y equals to 23. You transpose y and 23 to opposite sides. 3x minus 23 equals to y. Give this name equation number 2. And the second equation is number 3. As the name says, substitution method. So here one variable is replacing the other variable. So you started with equation 1, you got y as the subject, substitute y in equation number 3. So in place of y, you substitute the expression which is equal to y. In place of y, you substitute the expression which is equal to y that we already got in equation 2. 4x plus 3y equals to 48 is your equation 3. In place of y, you substitute, so 3 as it is, 3x minus 23, 4x as it is, 48 as it is. Once you substitute the value of one variable in other equation, see that this equation is in one variable now. Substitute means replacing. You can replace only the value which is equal. So y is equal to 3x minus 23. Y can be replaced by 3x minus 23. Now solve linear equation in one variable. 4x plus 9x minus 69 equals 48. 13x, 4x plus 9x like terms. 13x transpose 69, 48 plus 69. X equals to 117. So x is equals to 117 upon 13, 9. You got the value of one variable. Our solution is finding the value of both the variables. Once you got the value of x or any one variable, you put that or again substitute value of x in equation number 2, where your other variable was the subject. So 3x minus 23 equals to y. 3 into 9 minus 23 equals to y. 3 into 9, 27. 27 minus 23. Y equals to 4. So your solution is x equals to 9, y equals to 4.